watch this video to the end because I will be reviewing you the tools needed to create a faceless YouTube channel and also how to monetize it. Now, in our previous class, we discussed on the ChatGPT, how to get access to the ChatGPT. We discussed on how to get access to the Mentor AI. We discussed on how to get access to the Bing Microsoft Search Pro. We also discussed on how to get access to DaVinci AI. Also, we discussed on how to generate image prompts using our ChatGPT. Okay, now today we are going to discuss on the Mentor AI. So let's dive into the video. Let me show you how we can be able to generate a stunning images that we can use for our African folk tales. Now, this is the prompt we generated from ChatGPT. Now, we are going to use this prompt to generate images. So, we are going to copy this prompt. You start with the Nigerian couple. You copy it. If you don't know how to generate prompts, you can watch the previous video. So you go to your Chrome browser, you type Mentor AI. Mentor AI, this is it, Mentor AI. Now this is the interface of the Mentor AI. Before you get access to these tools, you have to make use of your Instagram or your Facebook. With your Instagram or Facebook, you can be able to access these tools. Now, since this is the interface, from here we are going to paste our prompt. This is where we are going to paste our prompt, this place. So we are going to paste our prompt, the prompt we generated from ChatGPT. We paste it. Once we paste it, then we will now click this arrow, this blue arrow. We click it. Once you click it, it's going to generate the image for us. You can see now the image is generating. You can see generating. Can you see? Beautiful. Can you see? Can you see? Beautiful. Can you see? So if you want to download it, you long press it and you click download. Okay. Beautiful images. One thing I love about Mentor AI, they generate 2 or more images. So you can now choose the one you want to go for. Okay. You generate 2 or more. You can see this one now is very beautiful. You generate 2 or more images. Okay. You long press it, then you click download. So we successfully create prompt for the Nigerian couple. Okay. Now let's quickly create image prompts for this professional Nigerian banker. So you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you go to your Mentor AI. You go to your Mentor AI. This is our Mentor AI. So come here, we'll now paste it here. We'll paste it this side. Let me show you. Okay. So we are going to paste it here. We'll post it. Now click at this blue Okay, once you click at it, you will now generate the image. Okay, one thing I love about these tools, they generate two or more images. So this one is a professional Nigerian banker standing confidently. Can you see? Can you see? This is a professional Nigerian banker standing confidently in a modern office setting. So if you want to download it, you long press it and you click download, you long press it, you click download, you long press it, you click download, you long press it, you click download. Okay, one thing I love about this mental AI, they generate two or more images. So with this, you can use these images and start creating African folktales. Now let's go to the next prompt. So we are going to copy this very one, which is the Nigerian village. Okay, we'll copy it. Then you now go to, okay, you paste it here. You paste it this side. Let me show you. So when you paste it here, click at this blue arrow. So from here, click at it. So from here, you're going to generate. Bam! Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see how beautiful it is? With this, you can use it and start creating your what? So you just long press it. Your African folktale stories. Can you see? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Can you see how beautiful it is? So you can just download it. So this is how you can be able to create African folktale images using these tools, mental AI. Now let's go to the next prompt. The next prompt is Nigerian city. So you copy the Nigerian city. You copy the Nigerian city. You copy the Nigerian city. You now go to your mental AI. You go to your mental AI. You paste it here. Okay. So when you paste it here, you now click at this blue. So this is how you can be able to generate images using your mental AI. you find value in this video. I hope you find value. If you find value in this video, in our next class, we discuss on how we can be able to use the Bing AI to generate beautiful images. So this is how you can be able to use the mental AI to generate beautiful images. So in our next class, I will teach you how you can be able to use this Bing AI to generate beautiful images for your African folktale. Please, if this is your first time of watching my video, kindly subscribe and share this video.